Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you all charging methods for your headphones Razer Barracuda X. And the first one is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. So just connect adapter to the power and USB-C cable on the USB-C port on your left ear cup. And we can see LED light here, so it means that it's charging. Cool. And the second one is to use your phone. All you need to have is just a USB-C cable to USB-C. It looks like this, but if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. So just connect USB-C cable to your phone and the second one to USB-C port on the left ear cup. And we can see LED light here, so it means that it's charging. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!